Do I guide people to a treasure that I cannot possess? Yes. And I'm going to talk to you about it today. Okay. For the 9 million comments I get from, I would say mostly like 12-year-olds who comment about me guiding a treasure that I can't possess. Or, wait, you have no hair, but you're talking about hair. Or, you're bald, what would you know about hair? So, to address all the, let's just say all the people who comment those comments, thank you for your comment, first of all. And I find it funny and mildly kind of annoying at this point, but I appreciate the feedback from you guys. You all can't see the amount of hair I have from here down. But anyway, in regards to my head, yes, I was born with hair, okay? I did have a period of my life where I had hair, probably like you, especially if you're like 11 to 13. So I did have hair throughout my childhood, teenage years. I started to kind of lose my hair a little bit, and it just thinned out slightly senior year in high school. And I would say in like my early to mid 20s is when I noticed my hair thinning throughout the corners here. I had blonde hair, I've posted pictures of me when I was younger, and then I buzzed all my hair off and started to slowly see that, okay, it started to go away. And then I started shaving my head, and I most recently have had a hair procedure done. There's videos on that on my channel. I also did wear a hair system for quite some time, is kind of experimental, and I did like that. It was just a lot of work, but you can see back in my channel here that I have tried even hair systems, and just that's the funny thing about it, is that as a bald guy, I'm doing all sorts of crazy things with my hair, okay? So this is freshly shaven, like my entire head is freshly shaven, so yeah, that's it. But to give a little context about who I am, and for all of you who are new here and leave somewhat idiotic comments about me being bald, well, I've been in the industry as a hairstylist for over 20 years, right? Probably 25 years. So I know a thing or two about hair. I've worked on thousands of clients. I've trained thousands of professionals. I've got over 2,000 videos here on YouTube. I've trained internationally. I've worked for major companies like L'Oreal and Paul Mitchell. I've won awards. The list goes on and on of the salons I've worked in, and I have a pretty decent resume as far as me being a hairstylist. So the credibility factor is there. I'm not just a random bald dude who has never put any time in the industry giving hair advice, hair tips, doing haircuts. There's a lot of people on YouTube who have never spent an hour in the beauty or salon industry or barbering, whatever it is, who are have big channels, and all they do is focus on hair, but have never actually spent any time in the business, the real business. I have 3 hair licenses in 3 different states. I've dedicated my life to this industry. I did leave the industry for a short period of time. I did go into firefighting and law enforcement, and then after 9/11 I got out. But other than that, I have a very interesting life. I was a nightclub DJ for many years, an entrepreneur, I'm an author. You want to find more out about me, just watch my videos. But yeah, I mean, to everyone who's just leaving random bald comments like, "You're bald, what do you know?" Well, why the F would I talk about crap here on YouTube for almost 11 years if I know nothing about it? So that's pretty much it. If you enjoy my videos, if you enjoy the content I put out, let me know if you want to see, you have requests. Now, for those people who have been watching my videos for quite a long time, and for those of you who actually respond to the idiotic comments, I appreciate you. And I think it's awesome that you kind of, I won't say stand up for me, but that you got my back. I really appreciate that. And I'm sure there'll be a lot of comments in this video that people will respond to, "Oh, you're bald, blah, blah, blah." But I'm just posting it so you get to know who I am. I get a lot of people coming to my channel for the first time ever. They've never seen me before, and they're like, "Wait, why is like some bald guy like holding a mannequin and talking about it? Like, Well, because I've been a hairstylist for so long. That's my channel. I'm the salon guy, for God's sakes. I wouldn't call myself, you know, the cooking guy if I didn't know nothing about cooking. You know what I mean? So that's basically where we're at. But I do appreciate all the support. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see. And also, I know I always say this, but I have my own hair products. If you don't know, if you use code YouTube20, that's YouTube20, you get 20% off and free shipping in the United States if you spend over $50. So I have my own hair product company too. A lot of exciting things coming up for that. That's it, everyone. So thank you for all the support, and I'll see you soon.